Peace, y'all. It's Mama Mystic coming to you with another video. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at mama_mystic911. Today we're going to be making homemade bath salts, oil, and toner using rose petal. I separated my rose petals in 3 different bowls: dry, which would be the outer leaves from off the stem, and then semi-dry, which they're a little crunchy but still a little smooth at the very bottom, and then moist, which will be the inner part of the flower once you take it off the stem. If you don't want to create your own bath salts, make sure you hit me up at altercreations.net. So for the bath salts, I am using Epsom salt, baking soda. My base is almond oil, patchouli, and then my base is almond oil, my essential oil is patchouli oil, and I'm using the dried rose petals. I took about 2 cups of Epsom salt and half a cup of baking soda. I like this combination because it leaves my skin feeling soft, feeling smooth, and I just feel rejuvenated. I feel sensual. I feel ready to go. Up next is the rose oil. So I'm using the semi-dry rose petals, my base almond oil, and a tablespoon of mineral oil. You don't want to use too much mineral oil because too much can clog your pores. The rose oil you want to let sit for 28 days, and you can add more rose petals in between those days. Like after the first 2 weeks, you can add more rose petals in it if you like. That would help give it a stronger fragrance. Up next is the rose toner. I'll be using the moist rose petals and witch hazel. If you're not familiar with witch hazel is very good for reducing acne and evening your skin tone. So if you have teenagers, this will be really good for them to use. You would want to let this sit for 28 days as well, adding flowers if you want after the first 2 weeks. The combination of these 3, the bath salts, the oil, and the toner, will have your skin looking vibrant, smooth, and refreshed. If you like this video, hit that like button. Share it with someone you know who may have young teenagers or who just wants their skin feeling refreshed and vibrant. Follow me on Instagram at mama_mystic911 and check me out on altercreations.net. Thank you for watching. Peace.